Can't keep my eyes off you when you in the room. So many people in the room, but all I see is you. The baddest girl in the room. The baddest girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Not Be Loved. Today I'll be showing you guys an installation on this synthetic wig, and I ain't gonna lie. This is my first synthetic wig install besides the pink one that I did. But this one is really giving like human hair. Look at the material. Like look at the curls. Watch how I change this Wanda Holiday Heart wig into this. If you want to see, go ahead and stay tuned, baby. And let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, so this is just me showing the wig in its natural state outside of the box. It's giving very much synthetic, but you're gonna see how I transform this. I'm showing you guys the lace, the parting. The lace is really good and melted really nice. So right now I'm just going in with my Ebon tinted lace spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray that on the lace and blow dry it so it can melt seamlessly on my cap. Now you see as I try on the wig, you're gonna see once I pull the lace up, it's gonna melt right on. I use the same tinted lace spray that I use on the lace on my cap, so it's gonna look flawless. As soon as I pull up the lace, you ain't gonna see nothing. Like, look, melted, period, without me even having to cut the lace yet. But as you see, it's giving very Humpty Dumpty, synthetic. The part is nice, I ain't gonna lie. It looks like I bleached the part, but like I said, that's just from the lace spray. This is just me acting stupid for 10 seconds, showing y'all that I look like Wanda from Holiday Heart. It's giving like I got the bike holiday. but now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and I'm just pressing the hair out. You want to make sure it's on very low heat, medium, like low to medium heat. So right now I had it on 10, I believe, and it goes up to 20. So then you'll be seeing me use my clips. I'm also trying to show you the hairline. It's a bit dense, but I didn't feel the need to go in with tweezers to pluck it, because I mean I'm just going to use baby hairs to go over that. But right now I'm cutting the slits to do my sections, so I can go ahead and work in sections and melt my lace with my spray. I will be using the Ebon lace spray. I ain't gonna lie, this lace spray is the GOAT. Like, I love this way more than Got To Be. I feel like Got To Be is only good for after you lay your lace and then you want that extra melt, so you just spray that on top of your lace. But this has tremendous hold and I love it. So I'm just gonna do 3 layers and then also blow dry my hair, well, blow dry the spray, excuse me, on a cool setting so it can stick. And yeah, so if this doesn't work for you, that's probably because you're using a high setting. So you want to make sure, if you really want to get it to stick, that you use cold air. Now I'm just pulling my lace up and placing it, and I do apologize for the camera angle. I was trying to get as close to my mirror as I possibly could so I can see what I was doing. I'm just pulling the lace up and then also pressing it down into my skin with my rat tail comb. Now I'm going in with my wig dealer spray, and this is another great spray. I haven't tried their hair yet, which I want to in the future, but I'm just doing this and spraying this on for extra melt. And then I'm going to go in with my elastic band and tie that down for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that off and start cutting my lace. So this is after I cut off the middle section. And then in the next view, you'll see how I cut off the side section. I just wanted you guys to see how the lace was looking. And now I'm going to go ahead and go in and put concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer and the color Fawn on my part just to give it the real scalp effect. This was after I put more spray on my hair and tied it back down to melt it just a little bit more, and that's how the lace was looking. So I just wanted you guys to see that. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull out my baby hairs. I was very nervous about this part because this is my first time actually doing baby hairs on camera, so I really didn't want to mess up, but practice makes perfect. So right now I'm just hot combing my flyaways to the back to get them out of my way. And then I already pulled out the other side and I try to get it as even as possible. Now I'm going to go ahead and razor off the baby hairs with the scissors. As you see, I didn't go straight across because I don't like blunt baby hairs. So after I went ahead and did that, I'll do it on the other side as well. And I don't know about y'all, but I always feel like baby hairs are the hardest part. Like you can have a seamless install, but as soon as you start cutting those baby hairs and laying them, that tells it all. But I went in with my Style Factor edge control to gel my baby hairs down, and then I'm just going to swoop them like I normally would my regular hair. And yeah, it's really self-explanatory, but it's just different when you're doing it on a wig versus your natural hair. You guys, this is the final look. How did I do for the, I guess this is my second time doing baby hairs. First time on camera, because the first time I did it, I didn't get it on camera and it was horrible. But this is the wig. Again, this is the specs on the wig. It is called the, what is this from? Outre, Seraphine. This is in ginger brown. It's given very much fall. I love this. Excuse my robe. I know it's been open like this whole time. I've been trying to keep the girls in, but yes, I love the curtain bangs. I love the curls. It just feels like human hair, honestly. And then here's the part. Here's the baby hairs again. I want to show you guys that, but I would definitely say this wig is beginner friendly because I'm still, you know, in the beginning stages of laying my lace, but I feel like this is like a quick get up and go wig. This is like, it's really giving. I love this wig. Shout out to my cousin for putting me on. But if you need a quick little hairstyle, girl, go ahead and copy a synthetic wig. This was $60, I think, but it's between $40 and $60. Depends on where you get it from. But I got mine from Amazon. But again, this is how it looks, and then this is the back. It comes in different colors. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see it. This is how it looks when I stand up. It's giving. I feel like somebody rich auntie. Period. But definitely love this. It's a good fall wig, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy this in black though, because I feel like a jet black middle part with the layers and the curls, yeah, it's gonna give what it's supposed to give. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because we're going up, and you know I say that every video because it's the truth. But love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Can't keep my eyes off you when you in